claim Social Security at 62 while you are still working a full-time job, and the Social Security Administration will quietly take back $1 of every $2 you earn above $24,480 in 2026. Most retirees do not find out until a deposit lands hundreds of dollars lighter than the number printed on their award letter. Nobody at the local SSA office volunteers this before you sign the paperwork. This is called the Retirement Earnings Test, and it only applies to people who claim before their full retirement age. A 63-year-old named Carol Reyes in Tampa, Florida, kept a part-time job at a school district, earned $40,000 that year, and watched the SSA withhold roughly $7,760 in benefits without a single explanatory letter. She assumed the money was gone forever. Subscribe and let's figure this out together, because every day we dig up another Social Security or bank rule nobody explains before you need it. This channel exists to translate the fine print your bank, your employer, and the government never hand you in plain language. The next one drops tomorrow. Here is the part almost nobody hears about. That withheld money is not actually gone. Once you reach full retirement age, the SSA recalculates your monthly benefit and credits back every month that was reduced, permanently raising your check for the rest of your life. It functions less like a penalty and more like a forced, interest-free loan to the government. Hit the notification bell right now, because next week covers the spousal version of this exact rule, and it is calculated completely differently. Getting that one wrong can cost a married couple tens of thousands of dollars over a retirement. The SSA will not walk you through the difference unless you ask the right question. But that recalculation only pays off if you live long enough to collect it. The break-even point for most retirees sits between age 78 and 80, so someone who claims early, keeps working, and passes away at 74, the way Carol's husband did in Columbus, Ohio, never recovers a cent of what was withheld. That balance does not transfer to a spouse or children. So the check you assumed was simply smaller is actually a loan that only pays you back if you live to collect it. Comment below with the age you are planning to file, because next time we're breaking down the one filing age SSA representatives are trained not to recommend first.